Hey, welcome back, Buckeye Nation, to your Caribou Data Science channel. Today is Wednesday, August the 4th, 2021. And it's time for our daily COVID-19 analysis. Before we get started, a big shout out to the two people who watched this video yesterday. I appreciate both those views, by the way. Also, don't forget to click, if you haven't done so already, don't forget to click on that subscribe button and subscribe to the Caribou Data Science channel now. Also, don't forget to click the like button, and I'm going to say most important of all, don't forget to click the share button. Share this video on Facebook and Twitter today. You can also copy and paste the link into an email or text message and share it with your friends and family that way. Okay, now we got the advertisers all the way. Let's just come back and remind ourselves of the problems with the highest COVID-19 data at this point. That, of course, is that according to the governor's office, COVID-19 deaths for the fourth quarter 2020 were unaccounted by close to 4,000 deaths. In order to compensate for those undercountings, rather than go back and add in the numbers onto the fourth quarter where they belong, they added the numbers onto February 11th, 12th, and 13th. Okay, so let's go and take a look at those numbers. Our answer to that, of course, is to use a moving average on top of the numbers. Okay? Actually, it's two-part things. First of all, I went back and I replaced those 3 days deaths with the average number of deaths for those days. Okay? Because here you can see the raw numbers with the so we went from here to here to here in 3 days. Really, we didn't have over 3,000 cases, deaths in one day. Okay, we didn't have 1,000 deaths. Okay, so this the raw data is clearly misleading. Completely misleads Ohio citizens by thinking that things are much worse than they really are. So what we did, this is where I placed these 3 days with the average number of deaths to that point. So this is a little closer. It's not perfect, but it's a little closer. At least it restores these three numbers here back to the point we can actually see them. So anyway, this is the raw death data. This is where the 4,000 are missing, and somewhere over in here is where the 4,000 were added. Some summary statistics, and now here's the plot. You can see beginning about December 1st, COVID-19 deaths in Ohio began to decline, and they're continuing to decline. Okay, and that's the number we want to focus on. Well, I'm going to show you cases. The number we want to focus on is deaths. Because remember, the COVID-19 vaccine doesn't keep you from getting the COVID-19. It reduces the chances that you'll die from it. Okay, so that means even this vaccine is being distributed now. Cases can continue to go up. In theory, if every single person in America was vaccinated, COVID-19 cases could still go up. Okay, think about that. That's something to think about, okay? But anyway, the trend in deaths are clearly down. This is the raw cases, okay? Summary. And now you can see, starting about the mid-July, we started to see an increase in COVID-19 cases, okay? But hopefully this is just another little bump like this right here, and cases will swiftly begin moving back down again, okay? So this does conclude the report for the state of Ohio today. Before I let you go, don't forget to click on that subscribe button, click on that share button, click on the like button, and share this video with your friends and family today on Facebook and Twitter. Thanks so much, Buckeye Nation. We'll see you tomorrow with an updated report.